Looking at my Bosch portable router table, now this is the RA1181. It's the one with the nice aluminum top and the solid legs. So in other words, the legs don't fold up. And we'll go over the physical dimensions of this as well as some of the special features. The aluminum top is generously sized, 27 inches wide, 18 inches deep, and it stands 14 3/4 above your workbench. The rugged aluminum fence has adjustable MDF faces so you can accommodate different bit sizes. And I love that the feather boards are included with the kit, such a great accessory to hold down your workpiece. The fence includes a nice dust collection port on the back side. The outside diameter of that is 2.5, but the inside actually perfectly fits a 2 1/4 inch shop vac fitting. And there's a variety of trim rings depending on the bit size that you're using. And the quality aluminum router plate is pre-drilled for the 1617, the MRC 23, as well as a variety of other common routers. One thing I was really happy to see are these leveling screws, so you can adjust the level of the router plate from the top side and then snug them in place. And that way you know for sure that everything stays exactly flush with your tabletop. And here's that great feature that turns this router table into a mini jointer. Just remove this 1/16 inch spacer. It has them on both sides of the fence, but you just remove the infeed side and then go ahead and retighten these knobs. And that offsets the split fences the perfect amount for joining the edge of a board. So that's a great way to true up a board for a perfectly straight edge. Then just reinstall that spacer strip to automatically bring the split fence into perfect alignment. And then an optional accessory that I highly recommend is this set of bent wrenches. Makes it much easier to change bits on the router table. So if you're in the market for a portable router table and you really appreciate that nice sturdy aluminum top and the fixed legs on this one, plus that special feature of being able to joint boards almost like a dedicated joiner, the RA1181 would be a great choice.